Think you can't buy a brand new townhome in St. Johns County anymore without spending a fortune? You might want to see this. I've lived in Northeast Florida over 40 years as an adult, and I tour new construction every week, and I help home buyers find value. You'll soon see why these townhomes are a rare four-part win of value, location, price, and incredible amenities. Oftentimes, affordable and low maintenance usually means compromises. So let's see if these are actually a great deal or just great marketing. Here in Shearwater, you get A-rated St. Johns County schools, resort-style amenities, and a low-maintenance lifestyle that appeals to everyone, from first-time buyers to downsizers. And the HOA coverage here might surprise you, but we'll get into that more after the tours. We're going to get things started with this beautiful Osprey floor plan. This one is 1,494 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This has a 2-car garage, and you're going to wonder, where is the backyard? Well, there is no backyard. The backyard is where the 2-car garage is, because this is a rear entry home. All of these townhomes that I'm showing you today are all going to have 2-car garages, and they're all rear entry, and there is no backyard to maintain because you don't really have a backyard. You enter from a roadway in behind the townhome. Now, these are beautifully designed because they're 1-story and they're super low maintenance, and I'm going to tell you some more about that a little bit later down the line, but you won't believe what's covered with the low maintenance aspect of these. Let's check it out. All right, you have this beautiful hardy board exterior, and you have this nice craftsman front, which is actually quite beautiful. You have pavered front patio. You have 8-foot door openings. If you're tired of maintaining a giant house, this one checks a lot of boxes without feeling cramped. Now this is going to have solid surface flooring throughout, except for the bedrooms. The bedrooms will have carpet. You've got 9.5-foot ceilings here. Beautiful, nice open floor plan. White shaker cabinets. All of your kitchen appliances are included. You've got LED can lights. I'm going to keep things moving. Across from the kitchen, you have the owner's suite. Very large bedroom here. Would you trade square footage for low maintenance if it meant living here? Owner's bathroom, tile floors, dual sinks, quartz counters. Water closet is in here. Very nice tiled walk-in shower. Nice walk-in closet. Continuing up the hallway. This is the entrance in from your 2-car garage. We're going to make a turn to our right. This is bedroom number 2. They have nice sliding doors on the closets, nice panels on the doors. Bedroom number 3. We're going to go into the laundry room now. That's where your washer and dryer hook up here, of course. There's your air handler. And this will be bathroom number 2, tiled up to the ceiling, tub shower combination. Now we're going to take a look at one of these really cool Widgeon townhomes. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home, 1,799 square feet. and it is 2 stories, and it is an interior unit. Let's take a look. We have this really nice walkway up, which of course is pavers. A nice overhang on your front patio here. This is where buyers ask themselves, do I want new construction at this price or an older resale that still needs work? Continuing on with that craftsman elevation. Give you a look back at the front of the home. Front entrance. All right, to our right is a nice dining area. That's the way they have this set up. Across from the dining area, of course, is your nice living room. It's got ceiling fan already installed. Honestly, this isn't even my favorite floor plan. The end unit that I'm going to show you next is going to blow you away for the price that they're offering it at in St. Johns County too. Again, all your kitchen appliances are included with your purchase. You've got white shaker cabinets, nice undermount sink, stainless steel appliances. This will be where your pantry is. We're gonna go on towards this will be your entrance from your 2-car garage. Over here, we have the laundry room. Of course, it's tiled. Tile continues here into your powder room. And I'm going to meet you at the top of the stairs. All right, we are now at the top of the stairs. We have this very nice landing area. We're going to go forward. This will be bedroom number 1. Got a nice undersea theme going here. Nice nursery. Large walk-in closet. Making a turn to our right. This could be a guest room or where another brother or sister are. Nice large room. Another nice walk-in closet. You have this nice hall closet set up here. Double doors. It's even got shoe racks already installed. That's where your air handler is. We're going to make a turn to our left. Nice full bathroom here with a tub shower combination. Tiled up to the ceiling. And we're going to go to the owner's suite now. Love that light fixture. Of course, the builder added shiplap to these walls, which that's something you could do yourself if you wanted to do that. Just give you some design ideas. Always good to have. Here's the owner's bathroom. You have plank tile floors. Nice walk-in shower. Frameless glass, tile to the ceiling. Dual sinks. Water closet is here. You have this pretty large walk-in closet. All right, now we've made it to the Mallard. This home is an end unit and it is a townhome. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,005 square feet. You can pick one of these up for under $385,000, and that's pretty unheard of to get something this large, this nice, low maintenance. I'm going to go into that some more in detail after this tour. And there's only 4 of those left in this community, I might add. So we're going to get started on our tour right now. So you have this beautiful front porch you can sit on and enjoy here in Shearwater, the master plan community with all the wonderful amenities. You have that 8-foot door opening. You've got solid surface flooring, plank tile. I lived in Northeast Florida for over 40 years, in St. Johns County for the last 6 of those years. And I can tell you that if anybody would have said to me that you could get a townhome of this size and this many bedrooms in a community this nice for this price a couple of years back, I would have totally questioned it. Here's this really large living room, family room. Again, we're on the first level. Beautiful kitchen. There's your pantry. Nice quartz counters, undermount sink. This even has a water filtration system you can get set up. Of course, you could add tiled backsplash here if you wanted to. As a homeowner, I'd certainly consider it. Looking back at the front of the home and the entrance and all that beautiful natural light streaming in. Continuing onward here, we have the opening from your garage door, your 2-car garage. This is your laundry room. Of course, they've got racks and shelving set up in here already. Nice hall closet. And you've got your powder room here. They have those really cool motion switches installed. And I'm going to meet you at the top of the stairs. Okay, we are at the top of the stairs. And we are here at the landing. And off to our left, I can see they have a beautiful setup here for a future Bob or Bernadette the builder. We're going to go all the way up to the end of the hallway. Taking a quick peek here. Nice hall closet. What I would have set up if I owned this. Office space. They used one of the 4 bedrooms for an office. Nice walk-in closet. I'm going to drop in next door. This will be bedroom number 2. There's your walk-in closet. Air handler is here. Continuing back up the hallway, have a full bathroom here. Tub shower combination, and it's tiled up to the ceiling. Off of the hallway here across from the landing, this will be bedroom number 3. Another nice walk-in closet. And here we are at the owner's suite. They've got a king-size bed with nightstands in here. These townhomes are on these beautiful ponds. You can see from your bedroom window. Owner's bathroom, tile floors. Very nice walk-in shower, frameless glass, tile to the ceiling. Water closet over here, and a really nice size owner's closet, walk-in closet. All right, so let's dig into what I mentioned earlier about this low maintenance lifestyle. What does the HOA cover in this community that's kind of different? Well, number one, it covers the roof. That's huge. It also covers exterior paint, pressure washing, yard maintenance and irrigation. Of course, you've got access to all these incredible resort style amenities too. For a lot of buyers, especially downsizers or buyers relocating from colder northern states, this matters a lot more than an extra 200 square feet. Yes, HOA fees matter. I get that. But compare that to budgeting for a new roof, painting the exterior of your home, exterior lawn maintenance and pressure washing, upkeeping all this stuff on your own. You don't have to, not with this HOA. So is this actually a bargain? Well, if your goal is brand new construction in St. Johns County, resort style amenities, low maintenance, access to A-rated schools, all of those things, you might want to give this 4-bedroom end unit a serious look. Of course, the same goes for the 1-story unit with the 2-car garage. Of course, all these have 2-car garages, rear entry, or the 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom unit next door. If you want pricing, incentives, availability, or you'd like to tour any of these beautiful townhomes with me, reach out. I tour new construction every week, and I can help you compare what's really a great value here in Northeast Florida. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, share, or subscribe if you want new content from me every week. You can always reach out to me directly. I'll always help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.